Hello, this is Dr. Prasad Putilam with my class series on research methodology and intellectual property rights. The last video of module 3. Okay, so 7 videos I made in module 3 covering because it was a huge, the syllabus was a little bit huge. So I made into 7 groups, relevant topics connected and made 7 groups, and the video is covered, explained some of the important points which is needed for each topic. Okay, so this is the last topic mentioned in the syllabus, covering the CO3 course outcome 3, to know the fundamentals of patent laws and drafting procedures. Textbook available in the given in the prescribed syllabus. It is mentioned here. You can download it from the Google say internet. Then this is the topic which I am covering, the last topics of module 3. Question is framed like discuss the patenting consideration for biotechnology inventions, including the unique nature of biotechnology, patentability requirements, and acceptable subject matter in USA, Europe, and India. Additionally, explore the patentability criteria for software inventions in these regions, highlighting specific aspects in USA, Europe, and India. Okay, only some specific aspects they are giving. You are not going in depth of all this. Okay, so this is the answer key which is mentioned here. You have to expand this particular answer key for that. Okay, so patenting specific technologies in okay, so biotechnology. Okay, so patenting biotechnology inventions or patenting specific technology, it involves the great understanding of as well as understanding the unique requirements and consideration associated with various fields in the innovation. So let us check the main differences in why the biotechnology inventions are so famous and why the software inventions. These are the two new inventions. I might have said in my previous any of the class videos that because of these two inventions, biotechnology as well as the new software as well as the artificial intelligence introduction, the patent law has to be modified, or new convention has to be organized at the earliest. Okay, so unique nature of biotechnology, one of the criteria why we have to patent the biological inventions. So biology inventions, it harness the living organism or cells and molecular technique to create innovative products and process. The distinctive characteristics of biotechnology, it poses challenges in meeting potentiality criteria due to involvement of living entities. Okay, means if I take an example, the genetic modified organisms, GMOs, successfully patenting a genetically modified organism designed for a particular application, say agriculture application, where the genetic modification enhances the crop's resistance to the pest. Okay, not other mechanism other than it is the genetical something related to biotechnology. So that is the uniqueness of biotechnology or nature of biotechnology. Okay, therefore it one of the important criteria patenting biotechnology. Then patenting patentability requirements and biotechnology inventions. The inventions, like any other, must adhere to the standard patentability requirements, including the novelty, inventive step, and industrial applicability. However, with the complex nature of working with the living organism, it introduces additional consideration, including the ethical implications. So one extra requirement is got added, ethical implications. That's why we cannot, even though we can replicate ourselves, the biotechnology people are ready to produce one more Dr. Prasad Putilam, but the ethical consideration will not work, and the people who are watching my video also think not able to watch his video only completely, not explaining properly. It's whatever nonsense comes, he will tell. Okay, so one more replica if it comes, so ethically everybody will be tired. So just an example is given. So ethics will not support, because you only can think what are the possibilities if such microorganisms, not only microorganisms, any organism if they can produce by their wish. So that is some the second point. Okay, so the third point. Okay, I'm still stuck on to the second point. Just reading it, it was already completed. Okay, so potentiality or the patentable subjects matter in USA, Europe, and India. The criteria for the patentable subject matter may differ among jurisdictions. That is from USA or at India or Europe. The patentable subject matter, it varies. Okay, so not going in detail example and if you consider the biotechnology inventions also, the specific requirements and the acceptable scope, it varies from USA to Europe to India. Okay, so one simple example, simple generalization is given because it is too difficult to understand in depth and not understand to explain in depth, so it takes too much time. So some of the one or two important points I took from that. Okay, so generally, okay, biotechnical inventions in United States of America, USA, generally patentable. Biological inventions are patentable, encompassing the living organisms or cells and molecular techniques. Generally patentable. No much too much explanation is not given there. But in Europe, generally patentable with the emphasis on technical contribution. There should be some technical contribution. Ethical consideration also play a crucial role in Europe. In India, the biotechnological inventions are patentable, but with ethical consideration, as well as excludes inventions contrary to public order or morality. Okay, they will not allow, India will not allow such inventions to be published or declared patent for that. Even frivolous claims, people will laugh on that. Such thing they will not, India will not consider. So that is one example, just one example for biotechnology invention is given. Now this about softwares, that is the second term, biotechnology. Then comes software as well as now I should tell about the AI, because AI is everywhere. Even I am using AI. This is everything is with the AI, help of AI. Okay, so patentability of software invention, patentability of software invention in United States of USA. In United States, software inventions can receive patents if they demonstrate novelty, non-obviousness, and practical applications. And the USPTO, that is US Patent and Trademark Office, it evaluates the technical aspects of the software to determine the patent eligibility. For example, to attain a patent for a algorithm, a software algorithm, novel algorithm, which substantially enhances the data compression within the software application, showcasing the technical innovation and practical utility, will be supported or will be patented, can be patented easily at US. So patentability inventions in Europe, when we compare, the European patent law mandates a technical contribution for software inventions and emphasizing the necessity of a technical effect beyond mere business method implementation. Software with purely abstract or non-technical features may encounter challenges in obtaining the patents. Okay, so not much required. You should have some application that is mainly set by the Europe. What about India? India permits the patenting of software invention if they exhibit a discernible technical effect. Discernible means a visible technical effect or contribute to a technical advancement. The focus is on preventing patent for abstract ideas or pure business method, emphasizing the need of a technological aspect. For example, if a software based medical tool, it should have accuracy, the efficiency in diagnosing, then only in India it can be patentable. So just one example I tried to explain, but I couldn't get the connection. Okay, so that about module 3. So I hope that decently I covered module 3. It was very large, big portion. So comparing to the level, standard level, or the education level required for the bachelor degree students, and it was introduced for the first time. So in depth I didn't go in module 3 also. Just covered basic things as well as introduced. Mainly I have introduced. It was introduced, first time introduced to me. I am introducing to you in my own style. So thank you very much for watching my videos. Please do subscribe, and please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Name is My Intuition 4865. Thank you very much and have a nice day.